Think your pickup truck is already awesome? Think again. From self-dumping beds to rooftop tents and tool storage that slides like butter, these 17 inventions will completely transform the way you work, play, and explore with your truck. So whether you're a weekend warrior, a hardcore adventurer, or a full-time tradesperson, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Cargo. A cargo net is one of the simplest yet most effective additions to your pickup truck, especially when you regularly transport loose or irregularly shaped items. These nets come in various sizes and strengths, built to stretch across the truck bed and firmly secure your gear, whether it's groceries, camping equipment, or work supplies. High-quality cargo nets use heavy-duty elastic materials and durable hooks to attach to your truck's anchor points, preventing items from flying out or sliding around. Some nets also come with built-in compartments, allowing better organization of small and medium-sized tools. For adventure lovers, a cargo net also helps when securing sports gear like surfboards, snowboards, or fishing equipment. Not only does it add a safety layer, but it also saves you from the hassle of bungee cords and straps. Yakima SkyPeakHD. The Yakima SkyPeakHD is a rooftop tent system designed specifically for pickup trucks with roof racks or bed racks. It offers a comfortable, elevated sleeping platform for 2 to 3 people and sets up in minutes, ideal for campers and overlanders looking for a quick off-ground shelter solution. Made from durable, weather-resistant canvas and equipped with a thick foam mattress, the SkyPeakHD ensures a cozy sleeping experience regardless of the terrain. It includes windows with mesh screens, a retractable ladder, and optional accessories like an annex room and integrated LED lighting. What sets it apart is its heavy-duty aluminum frame and universal mounting system, which makes it compatible with most pickup rack setups. Whether you're exploring deserts, forests, or mountains, the Yakima SkyPeakHD gives you a safe and elevated place to rest without the hassle of setting up a ground tent. DumperDogg Dump Insert. The DumperDogg is a game changer for contractors, landscapers, and farmers who regularly haul loose materials such as gravel, mulch, dirt, or debris. This insert converts your pickup truck into a fully functional dump truck with minimal effort. Available in stainless steel or polymer builds, the DumperDogg fits directly into your truck bed and includes a powerful hydraulic lift capable of tilting the bed at a 45-degree angle. This feature eliminates the need for shoveling and dramatically speeds up unloading tasks. It can support loads of up to 6,000 pounds, making it more than capable for heavy-duty work. Additionally, it's equipped with a remote control system, so the dump function can be operated easily from outside the truck. Whether you're running a small landscaping business or just want to simplify weekend projects, the DumperDogg adds serious workhorse capability to your pickup. ARB Slimline 100. ARB is a trusted name in the world of 4x4 and overlanding accessories, and the Slimline 100 LED light bar is no exception. This sleek, low-profile lighting solution provides incredible brightness while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetics. Built with die-cast aluminum housing and IP68 waterproof certification, the ARB Slimline 100 can withstand tough conditions such as dust storms, rain, and freezing cold. It uses high-powered OSRAM LEDs to produce a clean white light that reaches hundreds of meters ahead, perfect for off-road exploration or late-night travel in rural areas. It also includes an integrated heat management system, which keeps the lights running cool for longer life, and the light bar can be wired directly into your existing electrical system or used with ARB's relay kits for easier installation. Sleek, powerful, and built to last, this lighting system transforms night into day. Load My Boat. Load My Boat is a unique and revolutionary invention designed for fishing enthusiasts and boaters who frequently transport their boats using pickup trucks. The device essentially automates and simplifies the process of loading and unloading a small boat onto your truck bed. No more straining your back or struggling with heavy ramps. The system typically includes powered winches, glide rails, and a remote control mechanism that allows you to guide your boat smoothly up onto your truck or down into the water. It's built with marine-grade aluminum, ensuring rust resistance and long-term durability even when used near salty water environments. Load My Boat is particularly ideal for solo travelers or elderly individuals who still enjoy outdoor water activities, but might find manual loading to be a hassle. With just the push of a button, your boat can be securely loaded onto the truck without ever lifting a finger. YouTube Master Load. The U2 Master Load Lid is a robust, full-width hard lid cover for your truck bed, built from high-strength aluminum that can handle loads up to 200 kg on top. Unlike soft tonneau covers, the load lid allows you to stack gear on top, bikes, ladders, or camping gear, while keeping everything inside secure and weatherproof. Its central locking system and gas-assisted struts make opening and closing a breeze. Many models also come with integrated roof bars or tie-down rails, adding versatility for carrying extra cargo. Perfect for tradespeople, adventurers, or anyone wanting a clean, secure, and rugged truck bed cover. The UTE Master Load Lid is as functional as it is stylish. Its design blends seamlessly with the truck's aesthetics and offers a durable alternative to soft or folding covers. Dee Zee Storage Drawer. The Dee Zee Truck Bed Storage Drawer is built to solve the age-old problem of truck bed disorganization. Made from heavy-duty aluminum or polymer, this drawer system slides out smoothly on ball-bearing tracks, providing quick and easy access to your tools, gear, or supplies. It's weather-resistant, lockable, and designed to fit snugly under tonneau covers or canopies. With multiple compartments and divider options, it makes staying organized a breeze, especially for contractors or service professionals. A major advantage of Dee Zee drawers is their custom fit models are available for various truck brands and bed lengths. Installation is simple and non-intrusive, often requiring no drilling. Whether you're storing expensive tools or delicate equipment, the Dee Zee drawer ensures everything stays safe, dry, and within reach. MultiTruck Rack. The multi-rack system is a modular, adjustable cargo rack designed for pickup trucks. Whether you need to carry lumber, kayaks, bikes, or construction pipes, this rack can be adjusted in height and width to accommodate different loads. Built from powder-coated steel or anodized aluminum, the rack resists rust and corrosion, making it suitable for both job sites and weekend adventures. Its quick-release locking pins and tie-down cleats provide fast and secure mounting of gear. The multi-rack system is also compatible with tonneau covers and toolboxes, which is a major plus for people who want both enclosed storage and overhead cargo capability. Whether you're a contractor or a mountain biker, this rack gives your truck more versatility and hauling power. Torque Lift Tailgater. The Torque Lift Tailgater is an innovative table system that mounts directly onto your truck's tailgate without drilling or modification. It's ideal for tailgate parties, camping, work lunches, or roadside picnics. Once mounted, it provides a flat, stable surface for cooking, eating, or working. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum and coated with a durable powder finish, it can hold up to 150 pounds of weight. Plus, it folds flat against the tailgate when not in use, preserving your truck's aerodynamics and appearance. BTS Lighting Kit. The BTS Truck Lighting Kit is a customizable LED lighting system designed to illuminate your truck bed, underbody, tailgate, or even wheel wells. It's a favorite among truck enthusiasts not only for its aesthetic appeal but also for its practical utility. The kit features waterproof LED strips, a Bluetooth controller, and a mobile app that allows you to change colors, set light patterns, and adjust brightness, all from your phone, whether you're working late, camping, or showing off your ride at a truck meet. Collapsible Dog Crate. For dog owners who love to travel with their furry companions, the Collapsible Dog Crate is a must-have. These crates are made of durable mesh fabric and aluminum frames, offering a safe, ventilated, and comfortable space for your pet while on the road. The crate folds down flat when not in use, making it easy to store behind or under a truck seat. Some models also come with quick zip entry, built-in handles, and seatbelt loops for added safety during transit. Perfect for long road trips or vet visits, these crates ensure that your pet is secure and comfortable while giving you peace of mind. They're also airline-friendly and easy to clean, making them a favorite among mobile pet parents. Thorburns Canopy. The Thorburns Canopy is a premium canopy system built for both rugged off-road use and everyday practicality. Crafted with reinforced alloy or fiberglass, these canopies provide maximum weather resistance, dust sealing, and load-bearing strength. Unlike generic canopies, Thorburns offers custom fabrication with features like side access windows, roof racks, ventilation fans, and even solar panel integration. Inside, you can install lighting, drawers, fridge slides, or even a bed platform. Perfect for tradesmen, campers, and explorers, the Thorburns Canopy transforms your truck into a mobile workstation or living space. Each canopy is custom built for your make and model, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your lifestyle. Diggy Seats. Diggy Seats are custom-tailored seat organizers and protectors designed specifically for pickup truck interiors. They offer multiple compartments, including drink holders, tech pockets, tool sleeves, and tablet mounts, perfect for keeping your cab tidy and functional. Constructed from military-grade fabric, they're not only tough and waterproof, but also stylish and ergonomic. Many Diggy Seats include MOLLE webbing, allowing you to attach accessories like first aid kits, flashlights, and other EDC gear. Diggy Seats are particularly popular among parents, pet owners, and off-road adventurers as they help maintain a clean and organized space while also protecting your seats from spills, mud, and fur. Some models also include foldable trays for backseat dining or working on the go. So which one of these amazing truck upgrades is going on your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found something you didn't know you needed, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell so you never miss more genius gear for your pickup.